Want to talk to your clone over the phone? You absolutely can. Setting up a phone number for your clone transforms it from a text-based assistant into a voice-enabled teammate that handles phone calls with the same intelligence and capabilities it shows in chat. Your clone can answer questions, tap into its full knowledge base, and execute skills, all through a regular phone call. Let's get you set up in just a couple of minutes. We'll start from the clone dashboard. This is your home base where you can see all your organization's clones. Take a look at your clone list and select the clone you want to enable with phone capabilities. Just click on its card to open it up. Once you're inside your clone's detail page, you'll land on the Clone Chat tab by default. From here, navigate over to the Integrate tab. This is where all your external connections live: chat platforms, email, shared links, and phone services. Click on the Integrate tab to open it. Inside the Integrate tab, you'll see several integration options available. Look for Configure Phone Number and click on it. This opens the phone provisioning interface where you'll set up your clone's dedicated phone number. Now you've got two ways to select a number: by country or by area code. Most users prefer the area code method because it gives you more control over where your number appears to be from. This matters if you want your clone's calls to look local to a specific region. Enter your desired area code in the field provided. Here's something important to know. Not all area codes have available numbers at any given time. If your first choice shows no availability, don't worry. Just try nearby area codes in the same region. For example, if you're looking for a San Francisco number and area code 415 is unavailable, try 510 or 650 instead. The system will display available numbers once you enter a valid area code with inventory. Once you see the list of available numbers, review your options and select the one that works best for you. Maybe you want something with a memorable pattern or specific digits. Make your choice, then click Save. The system assigns that phone number to your clone and handles all the telephony connections in the background. Your clone now has a phone number. Time to test it out. Navigate back to the Clone Chat tab and ask your clone for its phone number, or just grab your phone and dial the number you just configured. When you call, your clone will answer and engage in conversation with you. You'll experience firsthand how it maintains full access to its knowledge base and capabilities over voice, just like in chat. Your clone is now ready to take calls and bring its full intelligence to every conversation. Whether it's answering questions, handling customer support, or scheduling appointments, your clone delivers the same expertise over the phone as it does in any other channel.